What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Today we have the Parallax case from Caseology. I'm gonna check it out, use it for a couple of days, review it, and let you know all in one video what I think about this case. All right, before we unbox this bad boy and do the tour and the review, a couple things. Hit the like button, helps me grow. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Also, if you're brand new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. One more thing, social media links are in the description. All right, let's unbox this. Caseology. I really bought it because, oh, I'm already ripping the box. I really bought this case because basically Amazon had high reviews. It's $13.99 on Amazon. Reviews are in the link is in the description. It had very good reviews. I went on Reddit and people recommended this case, so I said, let me check it out. All right, we'll pull it out. It has a pattern that I don't really know if I like yet. I gotta check it out. Open the bad boy up. Okay, push that off. What is this? What do we got here? Thank you for trusting us. Okay, I'll take your compliments any day. All right, I'll read that later. Oh, actually, I think I am gonna like this case. All right, Parallax. Let's put it on the phone and do a quick tour. All right, before we do a quick tour, I just wanted to show you the inside of the case. It has a, like a textured feel, a little design on the inside, has some words. I don't know if you guys can read it. I can barely read it. Parallax series for Samsung, designed in California, made in South Korea. Caseologycases.com. All right, you guys probably can't see that. I can barely see it. Quick tour of the case. The bottom is completely covered. It is pretty deep. It does hug the ports, but they're kind of recessed down in there. Headphone, you already know all the ports that are on the phone. The side is the smooth material, and then it has like a black button for the power button, if you can see that. Top, deep recess for the noise canceling mic. We'll go along the sides. It's like a two-tone deal. Volume rocker up and down is one rocker, and then the Bixby button, the infamous Bixby button. Caseology branding, that seems to be, okay, I'm opening up the camera. Caseology branding, that seems to be the move to put it down here. Inconspicuous, which I like. I don't like a whole lot of branding. All right, the back is what kind of separates this case. It's textured and almost, man, I wish the camera could probably pick it up. It probably can't though. Maybe I don't have enough lighting. Can't really call it, but it has a texture. Let's see if you guys could see it. I don't think the camera's really picking up this texture, but the best way I could describe it, when you hold, because it does different things. So when you hold it straight ahead, it kind of looks like the level design from the game Cubert. If you guys know that, a whole bunch of little squares. I'm sure there's some shape that I don't know the proper term for, but it has some texture and it has like a 3D square look to it. Very popular case. Another thing, it has a little branding here at the bottom. Branding at the bottom of the case, and the camera cutout does not completely hug the camera. So you do have that prism white peeking out. You guys know I'm a fan of that. All right, let's give it a try. I'm not sure if this is gonna be one of my favorite cases or not. Let's give it a try, and we'll be back in a couple days. What's today? March 26th. I'll try to review this for 2 days. We're back. It's been a week. I only meant to take a couple days, but I got a little under the weather. And the longer you have with the product, the better the review. So the Caseology Parallax case. Is this case good enough to put your S10 in? The answer is absolutely yes. This case is a classic. I think a lot of people know about the Parallax from Caseology. What it really has going for it is the amount of protection it adds compared to the amount of bulk it adds. It's not a overly bulky case. It's not slim fit. It's not overly bulky, but it gives you a lot of protection. There's protection all around, and I don't know if it's picking it up, but even along the sides. The one thing that protection does, though, you do have to take your phone out every now and then and dust it, because it does build dust, especially along the sides. But nothing too bad. This offers a lot of protection, and it has a little pattern. I guess a lot of this will boil down to how you feel about this little design on the back. But overall, this is a recommended case, definitely suitable to put your S10 in and just leave it in there for the duration. I have a couple nicks on here, but it's cool. I found myself kind of rubbing my fingers along the back, messing with the design quite a bit. I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of the design. It's probably nothing I would pick, but yeah, man, I could use this case every day, and that says a lot. Protection all around the fronts, the sides, the buttons work properly. One thing I did like is that the buttons have a different feel than the rest of the case, so they were easy to identify. But get active in the comments. Let me know what you think. Have you ever used the Caseology Parallax Case? Definitely a winner. I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.